wood elephant and cow heads. The range is 1300 till about 1500. All these have hand painted work on them and have different colors. Let's see the elephant head first. Hang on, you also have these lovely cow heads. Let's see them. If you'd like to buy these products, please visit our website ikyem.com. You can search with the barcode given in the description or the one that appears on the screen for each of these products, or you can walk into our store in T.Nagar, Madras. Thank you and happy shopping.